Honor God. If you are going to succeed in life, God honor those who honor him. God love those who love him. God value those who value him. Honor God. Malachi chapter 1 verse 6. He said, if I be a father, where is my honor? If I be a master, where is my fear? Where is my respect? Honor God. Honor God. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 9. He said, honor God with your substance, your money, your resources. Honor God with it. Honor God. Honor God with your money. Honor God with your time. Look at Muslim, for example. I was born and brought up in their midst. Look at me. When it is time for them to go to mosque, if you like, bring 10 million to buy something, they are not going to sell it. Am I talking to somebody? They will tell you, I will go mosque. They will. Have you ever experienced that with them? But on Sunday, some Christians are inside farm clearing bush. Some are busy packing cassava. I won't go sell my cassava. They are putting cassava. Bible study is going on. You are at home. You are not honoring God with your time. Prayer time is going on in the church. You are busy in your shop, in your market. You are not honoring God. Honoring God with your substance. Honoring God with your time. Honoring God with your life. A man that honors God is a man that will succeed in life, because God will cause you to succeed. He created the heavens and the earth. He gave us the crude oil. He gave us the wisdom to use crude oil to get kerosene, petrol, diesel, and oil. He gave us the wisdom. Nothing will brought into this world, and nothing belongs to us. We made everything here, and we are living everything here. So whatever you succeed enjoying, He gave you the wisdom to enjoy that. Am I talking to somebody? Honor God. Honor God with your body. Honor God. Your body is not for immorality. It's not for sexual immorality. Your body is not. It's not. The Bible calls your body the temple of the Holy Spirit. That is to say, the house of the Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit indwells you. He dwells inside of